Chapter 11, Lesson 4, Trucks, Buses, and Emergency and Specialized Vehicles. When you share the roadway with larger vehicles, you must understand and respect their needs. It may be easy to see trucks and buses, but they present greater risk than smaller vehicles. Objective: identify the risks associated with sharing road with large vehicles. Sharing the road with trucks. Service trucks, pickup trucks, and delivery trucks are usually light or medium weight. Heavy trucks include dump trucks and tractor trailers. A truck has a powerful tractor pulling. A truck that has a powerful trailer pulling a separate. A truck that has a powerful tractor pulling a separate trailer is called tractor trailer. The tractor includes the engine and the driver's cab. The most common tractor trailer is a semi-trailer, which has one trailer. In a collision, the steering size of a heavy truck puts a car at risk. Heavy trucks require long stopping distances. The metal bumpers are high and rigid. Tractor trailers are much heavier than cars, which will have a greater stopping distance, the truck or the car behind the truck. Objective: describe how to follow, pass, and meet large trucks safely. The no zones. Drivers of heavy trucks have very large blind spots around areas around the truck where your car can disappear from the view. These blind spots are called no zones. The no zone includes areas at the side, rear, and front. The front no zone can extend more than 20 feet. Truck drivers have 4 large blind spots. If you are in a truck's no zone, the driver cannot see you. Why do you think one side of the truck has a larger no zone than the other? If you can't see the truck driver in the truck's mirror, the truck driver cannot see you. The right side blind spot is the most dangerous because trucks make wide right turns. Following large trucks. When you follow a large truck, it causes a line of sight restriction because you cannot see what's ahead of your truck. Trucks make right turns. When following large trucks, be aware that they require plenty of space to make a turn. In order to turn right, a truck usually starts by swinging out to the left. To avoid conflict, keep out of the open space to the right of a tractor trailer that is making a right turn. Can the truck driver see the car? Passing and being passed. Why is it safer to pass trucks that are going uphill than trucks that are going downhill? To safely pass a long vehicle, you need more distance than when you are positioned to pass. Check your front and rear zones and your blind spots, then signal a lane change. Stay in lane position 2 and complete your pass carefully and quickly. Don't linger in the no zone. Signal and return to your lane only after you can see at least one headlight in your rear view mirror. Don't slow down. Be prepared for increased wind turbulence when passing a truck, even when a truck passes you. Grip the steering wheel firmly. Move to lane position 3 if conditions permit. If you pass during rain or snow or when the road is wet, spray from the truck may cover your windshield. Increase your windshield speed and use your windshield washers to keep your windshield clear. If necessary, pull over in a safe location and clean your windshield. Meeting large trucks. You do not have much room when meeting a large truck on narrow, two-lane roads. Before you commit to passing or turning left, check your gap and decide how quickly the vehicle is approaching. Large vehicles often appear to be moving slowly than they really are. Buses have no large nose zones and take extra space to turn. They also cause line of sight restrictions. Radio reports. Some states outfit school buses with radio communication so they can report violating drivers immediately. Drivers are more likely to be apprehensive and suffer immediate consequences for putting children at risk. Public buses. Local transportation buses make frequent stops to pick up and drop off passengers, usually at intersections. Some communities provide special bus lanes to help move traffic. Describe the precautions you must take when driving near school buses and emergency vehicles. School buses. As a driver, you have the responsibility for driving cautiously near school buses. Watch for bright yellow buses in the morning and afternoon when schools are opening and closing. Children are at greatest risk of injury around buses that are loading and unloading. Reduce speed around school buses. Search for children who are rushing to catch a bus. Be prepared to stop. When the red lights on a school bus are flashing, you must stop. Some school buses have amber lights that flash before the red lights begin, or a stop arm that swings out from a driver's side of the bus. When the red lights begin to flash, motorists traveling in both directions must stop before reaching the school bus. All traffic must remain stopped until the flashing red lights are turned off. Emergency vehicles. Emergency vehicles respond to fires, medical emergencies, rescues, and accidents involving hazardous materials. The drivers of emergency vehicles may disregard traffic signs, speed limits, and the direction of traffic and parking. Emergency vehicles require immediate action. When an emergency vehicle approaches from any direction, you must yield the right of way. Avoid gawking or rubbernecking, which adds to congestion and potential conflicts. Objective. Explain how to share the road with specialized vehicles such as recreational vehicles, low-speed vehicles, and snowplows. Other specialized vehicles. In addition to trucks and buses, you share the roadway with low-speed vehicles, snowplows, and farm equipment. Snowplows and other equipment. At different times of the year, you may encounter very slow-moving vehicles such as snowplows, farm vehicles, or construction equipment. When passing, watch for equipment that is wider than the vehicle itself. Low-speed vehicles. Low-speed vehicles, including four-wheeled vehicles with top speeds between 20 to 25 miles per hour. These include golf carts and neighborhood electrical vehicles. Neighborhood electrical vehicles are growing in popularity as they require no trips to the gas station have no emissions, and have lower maintenance requirements. LSVs come in a wide variety of designs and types. When you encounter an LSV, be aware of its low power and lack of protection. Be prepared to adjust your speed and position to avoid conflict. Review. What is a truck's nose zone? What are the nose zones of a large truck? Where are the nose zones of a large truck located? What precautions should you take when following a large truck?